Hello. Um, Today is Monday, 2026, May 4, and it's been a while, guys, since I started, vlogging again in this YouTube channel of mine, personal at the same time. Ayun. So first things first, gusto ko umiyak kasi seeing this na nangyayari sa akin is, ayun, I've been through a lot na, na mga times na I'm all alone. Dami kong na-absorb na knowledge and perspective from other people na na-overflow ako. But, for me, ang hirap lang sa akin talaga mag-focus sa sarili. Because I've been conditioned sa environment ko na mag, na ma-affected super talaga. Ma-affected ng sobrang malala. Kumbaga na I really affect myself or parang na-apektuhan ako palagi in the most literal sense na malilit na bagay. And it affects my performance, my decision making, on how I would respond and act behaviorally. And truth be told, I'm aware na people pleaser ako, pero I'm trying to figure out what's the source of my people pleasing attitude and tendencies. And ako, I'm doing this for a long time since 2025, 2024, 2023. Sharing my thoughts to my private channel, YouTube channel na for my future self and other people na nakakapag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko here for ayun. And I think really affects my doom scrolling or kaya naapektuhan to dahil sa pag-doom scroll ko, sa pornography ko, consumption. I'm not grounded enough and I'm confused and overwhelmed. And I'm being too hard on myself again and it really sucks kasi I got no one to talk to. And if I talk to someone regarding sa isang specific na topic, it would say something about me trying to be vulnerable and people can may or use it against me or kaya on why should I be doing such things and why should I be sharing such things kasi ako to it's my actions and I have to really control my actions and behaviors and decisions talaga. And right now na parang I don't really journal this stuff yet kasi ayun, kapag nasa mood ko lang to make a video or parang ganyan. And masaya ako on my progress. Pero I don't see it as a progress but rather just same old habits conditioned in an environment na I have to get out and go out talaga sa house. Ayun, meet new people, meet a girl na nag-jogging or kaya magkape sa mga cafe, mag-apply ng work to gain money, to experience life, and then I'm a very idealistic guy kasi sa mga bagay-bagay and it really bothers me talaga na to say na I don't know if I'm working in progress or kaya I'm in the progress of knowing how to get things done talaga. And ayun, yun yung sa akin na feeling ko na parang I'm really left behind talaga in life na ayun, I'm just really enjoying the process of how I would really look in back in my life na or kaya looking back at these videos that I did or would rather say said sa mga videos nandito, would it really help me as a person na talagang dito ako, ayun. Ayun, like, ayun, medyo relax, ayun, focus sa sarili, focus sa mga dapat gawin, and to really say na I really need to focus, 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 focus kasi masakit siya sa akin kasi ayun, mas sobrang sakit, super sakit, ayun. Ayun lang sa akin. And medyo mahapde at the same time hindi siya um talagang kailangan kong gawin yung mga bagay dapat kong gawin. Ayun. And ayun like minsan naisip ko lang na worth it pa ba talaga yung mga ginagawa ko? And I really can't sleep super, I really can't sleep na maayos or kaya dahil sa pag-doom-scroll ko bago ako matulog. And it really bothers my performance as a person and as a student and as a 23 years old living in this world na more on thoughts and more not on actions talaga. And masakit kasi hindi ko pa alam yung gusto ko sa life. And it really hurts and really bothers me kasi kung saan ako papulutin ng buhay na gusto ko. Ayun. um, maybe I'm just doing this out of spite, out of my randomness shit, out of my noise in my head that I eventually doesn't would would help, yet would it be satisfaction would I be satisfied and be fulfilled sa ginagawa ko to or sa mga ginagawa ko sa life ko or sa mga isang araw ko na ayun. And it really bothers me na ayun na I'm not able to share these thoughts to people kasi wala nga akong friends na malalapitan or hindi ko ma hindi ko ma-pinpoint kung saan ako lulugar. And I think for me na talagang ah, ang hirap mag fuck you world pero ayun, pero I'm living this world. I'm just too self-obsessed, self-absorbed, selfish. Pero I have to be grateful sa mukha ko, sa parents ko, sa family ko, sa mga things na meron ako kasi I have to utilize everything and fucking everything. Ayun yung sa'kin. Ayun lang naman sa'kin. Again, thank you for listening and I love you very much, Najin. This is a message from your past self and for your future self saying na, kaya mo yan, do your best, take pause, uh, always be kind, always be happy, always put a smile on your face kasi super cute mo, super guwapo mo, and you're very talented, you're very kind, you're lovable, you're sweet, you're curious, you're very attractive. Ayun. Thank you again for listening and this is me signing off again once more. Peace.